excited to announce a new initiative that we're launching today. It's called the Community App Catalog. And so with the Community App Catalog at apps.openstack.org, you can quickly go find whether it's a glance image, a heat template, or a Murano package to deploy many different applications, whether it's Cloud Foundry, OpenShift, Kubernetes, and even something like Oracle Database is in the catalog today. But this really is the beginning. Knowing this community, I expect there will be hundreds of additional applications in the next few days. People are very excited about containers and Docker, right? And for good reason. This is a very exciting technology. There are many technologies that are coming on the scene in containers. If you think about OpenStack, again, we're not a hypervisor, right? We integrate with hypervisors. That's exactly the same pattern that I see happening with containers. So we have a number of OpenStack projects that are just getting started: Murano, Magnum, and Cola. These are new OpenStack projects that are not trying to reinvent the wheel. They're not trying to duplicate what these other interesting technologies are in containers. They're trying to integrate with them. What is Magnum exactly, Adrian?
So Magnum's a new open source project, like you said.
Okay.
And it's for cloud operators to be able to offer containers as a service to their cloud users. 42 engineers have contributed code to this from 19 different affiliations. There's about 100,000 lines of code there.
So what are you doing here?
So we're here at OpenStack Summit talking about Kubernetes, and basically, we believe in this vision of Kubernetes running everywhere, whether it's public cloud or private cloud. And so we think, from a private cloud perspective, OpenStack is definitely leading the charge on how to do that the right way. So last week, Adrian and I worked together over the last few days and over the weekend on getting Kubernetes deployed in 2 places. So one on Google's container engine, and the other side on the Rackspace Cloud.
So it gives me great pleasure to announce the results of the May 2015 Super User Award. And the winner is Comcast.
If you have doubts about OpenStack running in production, this is a proof point for you to say that OpenStack is doing transactions, financial transactions. If you go on the web, use an e-commerce provider, buy something, sell something, or go to ebay.com, buy something, sell something, and use PayPal as a payment provider, that transaction is now going through OpenStack.
So here's our OpenStack story. It's pretty simple. JPL needs an open and free technology that allows us to consolidate our underutilized infrastructure and make it easily available and provisionable by projects who no longer have the funding or resources available, while still preserving the capability for the missions that will need the infrastructure in the future. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the community for truly supporting our mission and ask that you continue to support OpenStack because it is doing a wealth of good for NASA.